platinum. It's been a month now.
Wow.
And the biggest realization is that I am able to take out time, which I was always complaining before. I have three kids, and I was always like, my plate is full. I don't have time for anything else. I cannot learn. So I was just cribbing about this that I don't have time. Now I'm getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm doing my courses. I'm aiming to get Super Family Award in the Delhi event. And
Amazing.
I'm so happy that I have realized that I can make time for myself.
Yes.
When there is a will, you will find the way.
Yes.
So this is the biggest realization
And
for
it's
me in a
just been
month.
1 month, right?
It's just been a month. I have a aim. I'm getting up in the morning with an aim. When you are aimless, you don't feel like getting up in the morning. You don't feel like getting out of your bed. I am so looking forward to getting up so that I can do my courses. My
Wow.
husband is telling me, please take a break for a day. Complete your sleep. I'm like, no, no, that's my Brahma Muhurat. I want to get up. That's my, productive cycle, as
It's
you had mentioned in the
amazing. If you
courses.
can get up at 4 in the Brahma Muhurat and learn, I think it's magical. There's nothing better. And how many of you notice the glow on Shikha's face? It's really infectious. It's coming. Your energy is coming to me through the screen, actually. Amazing.
Yeah, so and now because I have a aim, I am happy. I'm able to handle my kids in a very better way, and because of them only, I had joined this course. So yes, this is happening. My husband also told me that you are getting calm these days. You are not scolding you're not scolding the kids. So yeah, that is also coming, and now I have a aim. Now I'm aiming to become a coach, and helping people, becoming like you. You are such an amazing mentor. You have that energy that passes to each and every one of us. Just seeing you, just listening to your voice, it just happens to pass that energy to us. So thank you so much for coming into my life when I never expected anything. And yeah, that's my small win, and I really wanted to share it with all of you. With
Yes.
How I joined Gold, I have seen your ad, and then I just thought, okay, let me try. That's because of my kids.
Yes.
I have two, one 14-year-old, which is a teenager, so it was difficult to handle. And I thought, okay, let me hear it out. And the younger one is about 8 years old. I'm an HR by profession, but what motivated me after I joined, this group is, I think I found my purpose. I think that's what I've kept telling whoever I met or connected, in the last couple of weeks. Uh, I felt this is exactly my purpose. And I felt so great, though the purpose of joining this EPH is for my kids, but I think I started finding time for myself. And more than anything, I started loving myself. I think which I never did. I've never prioritized myself. And automatically, I'm seeing the difference. The biggest win is the same daughter who used to retaliate. Anything that I say, of course, it's a teenager, right? Every time, if they don't listen, you get upset and you say, I used to shout at her. But now it is like she herself has calmed down. She comes with me, she speaks to me, and she's like, you're my inspiration. And,
Wow.
she starts helping me in the kitchen. And she is sitting through me when I attend your sessions. And I don't know, it's such a big win for me. I didn't do anything. I
Yeah.
just didn't do anything.
Wow.
And I think that itself is a big motivation for
Joined
me.
in September, and at that time I was lost. I was losing my patience as a mother, and I was losing a lot of relationships also due to my behavior, I would say. Now I'm aware of it and I am working on it. And I actually quit my job in 2023, June 2023, so that I can concentrate on my child. As there was no support. But yeah, give me a moment. Someone is there and I'm alone with the child.
No problem.
So I was, yeah. So I was struggling with a lot of things, I would say. And when I joined, within 10 days, I decided to move to Platinum, because in Platinum, I could see there is a lot of things that I needed. And maybe it was my requirement. And when I saw your masterclass, I knew that, yeah, I needed this. And uh, the October first week only, when I joined Platinum, I decided to start something again because I wanted to work also. And that's when I thought, let me just use my knowledge of stock markets. And with the help of one of my cousins who is into it, I started working on that also. So I got that courage that let me just take first step. And that was within 2 weeks, I would say, when I joined you. So that was amazing. And since then, journey have been amazing. So I joined little pretty late, and I was traveling in November, so I could not attend your event. But you motivated me so much that I have attended multiple events.
You're coming
And
for the Delhi event?
absolutely,
Perfect.
absolutely.
Yes.
Everything is managed. I mean, everything is arranged.
Awesome.
So, and when it was like that, you have given me mantras. So a lot of things. So I would state a few of them. First, lifelong learner. So now I am investing in myself, in my learnings, and I am not being cheap there, I would say. I
Yes.
am doing the best that I could do, and I am actually manifesting for better things. And secondly, I am responsible for my feelings, the way I feel.
Yes.
So, yeah, so these two things I have taken, and now I'm aware a lot of things that where I'm going wrong, and I am accepting those things. And sometimes I say sorry also because now also I do a lot of things that shouldn't be done. But yeah, now I have courage to say sorry also. So
Amazing.
a lot of things have changed, and I am creating content for social media, and a lot of people are seeing that content. And my daughter's principal actually told me that the content that you are sharing, we are trying to implement that with our kids at school.
Wow.
So
Wow.
that was really nice. I mean, okay, that was really nice. So you, other mothers, and I got to meet a lot of mothers also. I was in different cities, and I met other mothers also face to face. That was really an amazing experience.
Wow.
And now I have started working with kids and individuals. And next week, I've already got a lot of inquiries related to my offerings. And next week, I'm starting with the first kid. And soon, 2 and 3 kids I will start with. So, yeah, and I'm loving it. I mean, I'm loving my life, I would say. And a lot of things have shifted since September. Once someone said they have morning ritual, and I did not understand at that time. And I maybe did not say in front of him actually, but afterwards I thought morning ritual kya hota hai? Now I'm understanding it, and I am joining Sankirtan also. I'm getting up early, and I'm trying to do a lot of other things also, so that I am actually effectively utilizing my time because I have a toddler, so I need to be with her. But yeah, so as other mothers mentioned that we are creating time for ourselves to grow and evolve.